Aloha mai kākou, it's Kumu mai noʻeau coming to you from ka Hale on the island of Molokaʻi. Our MANAʻo Monday ʻōlelo noʻeau is one of my absolute favorites. I know I always say that, but it really is, being a olapa or hula dancer for much of my life. This stands true in not just hula, but in all of the things that I try to face my fears with throughout life. So I'm going to say it very slowly, and then I want you to do it with me. ʻAʻa ka hula, waiho ka hilahila, maka Hale. Okay, let's do it all together, part by part. Repeat after me. ʻAʻa ka hula, waiho ka hilahila, maka Hale. Maikaʻi, and what that translates to is, when learning hula, leave the shame at home. So as a hula dancer, or if you've ever had to go on stage or speak in front of people, gosh, you know it can be really, really nerve-wracking. So it's a really important one to always keep in the back of your mind and to remind yourself to give it all you got. No regrets. Go out there and do your best every time. Leave the shame at home, especially when it comes to hula. When an auntie tells you, hey, you know this hula, you better go up and dance. Waiho ka hilahila maka Hale. Maikaʻi loa. Our ha'awina for today is how to say congratulations. We can use this all the time. Repeat after me. E ho'opili mai. E hoʻomaikaʻi. Let's try that one more time. E hoʻomaikaʻi. I see the word maikaʻi in there. When we say hoʻomaikaʻi, it means to be blessed, to have good things happen to you. And it's like a best wishes, if I could translate it to anything closest to what it means. So when you see someone graduating, or they have a wedding anniversary, or they're getting married, or just a really momentous occasion, you want to wish them blessings by saying this. So let's try it one more time together. E ho'omaikaʻi. Maikaʻi loa.